Many times I have shared the dietary changes that you have to do in order to lose diabetes. I have told you what to use instead of the wheat, what to use instead of your sugar to control your diabetes and still maintain your healthy lifestyle and good quality of life. But still people say that they cannot follow this diet or it is too difficult to give up wheat. Today I'll share some foods that naturally lower your blood sugar levels and help you control weight. Watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing how to use them, when to use them and the recipes in which you can use them. So watch the video till the end, subscribe to our channel for more such info. Share this with all your family and friends who say that it is difficult to control diabetes and lose weight by changing our dietary habits. So we'll start right after the intro. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and among the foods that naturally control diabetes and help reduce weight, the first mention will be of Moringa. Not only because it is my favorite tree and the tree that you are seeing right now is from my own garden, it also has medical benefits other than weight loss and diabetes because it is a doctor tree. All of its parts, the roots, the leaves, the flowers, all have medical benefits. But today we will see how it can control diabetes. So we have this research, and the link to all the researchers will be found in the description box below. You can view them. So what they did was they fed people cookies, biscuits, okay. They fed them like 5 cookies and they saw how their blood sugar levels shot up. And then what they did was in the cookie batter they mixed up 2 teaspoons of moringa leaf powder. Now when the people ate those 5 cookies, their blood sugar spike was like this. Amazing, isn't it? The cookies were same. They were not like diet cookies or keto cookies, gluten-free cookies. No, they were simple cookies made with wheat flour and sugars and whatever else. But still it managed to reduce their blood sugar spike. And there are many other ways you can use moringa as food. You do not have to take them as tablets or capsules. You can make cookies out of them. You can make even teas. Or if you do not like hot beverages like me, you can make iced tea. In fact, they did a research on tea also. What they did was they gave people half a cup of sugar with water, plain water, okay, and this was the kind of sugar spike they got. Then what they did was they gave the same amount of sugar but with 1 or 2 cups of moringa tea. Moringa tea they prepared by mixing up 2 teaspoons of moringa powder in a cup of boiling water. So as you can see, the sugar spike was marginally less, although the sugar was the same. So if you want your sugar not spiking, first of all you can not take the half cup of sugar, or if you have taken half a cup of sugar, you can take it with moringa tea. This is not a good practice, but the thing is these foods they reduce your sugar levels naturally. You can also make a smoothie out of it, like if in a blender you add 3 cucumbers, 10 leaves of kale and 2 teaspoons of moringa powder, add a lot of ice, and you can add the sweetener of choice, honey or stevia, whatever you want, and drink it in the morning. You have a huge backup that will control your blood sugars all throughout the day. And I have shared many recipes of moringa. You can make moringa vadas, moringa pakoras, moringa stews, you name it. You can even add it to your bread mixture to control the spike of sugar. Okay, this is one. Another thing that you can do is take a green tea. Green tea is naturally, it lowers the blood sugar levels. Again, they did a research, and what they did was they gave people a piece of white bread along with simple plain water. White bread with nothing, it is not gluten free, sugar free, it raises the sugars as you can see like that. But when they gave them the same piece of bread along with the cup of green tea, the sugar spike was like this. So it naturally reduces the sugar spike. Another great player in this field is ginger. Ginger is added along with garlic in almost all the desi dishes, but you can have more of its effect if you add it in the form of julienne cut on the top of your curries, or you can even use dried powder and just sprinkle it on whatever food you are eating. It gives a great taste also. They did a research, again the same research with the white bread, and they found that the people who took the white bread along with the ginger tea, which they prepared by adding a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger to a cup of boiling water, they found that sugar spike was marginally less than the people who took the bread along with just plain water. So you can see it works. Another thing is cinnamon. Cinnamon again is a common spice. Cinnamon can be taken sprinkled on food. You have to take about a half a teaspoon. You can sprinkle it on your smoothies, you can sprinkle it on your porridge or oats or whatever your breakfast is, or you can add it to your cookies also. But the thing is, it has been researched a lot and it has been found that it not only reduces sugar spikes, it controls the long term sugar also, the HbA1c, and along with that, as an added benefit, it also reduces the cholesterol levels. So that is a 2-in-1 benefit. And in the research that I am sharing, they gave people, along with the piece of bread, they gave them a cinnamon tea, which they prepared by adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a cup of boiling water, and you can see the kind of sugar spike reduction that they witnessed. Similarly, black seed has these benefits and more. The research which I am sharing was done on rats basically, and they found that giving 1/4 teaspoon of ground kalwanji or black seed reduced the weight of the rats, it reduced the blood glucose spikes, it reduced the blood cholesterol levels, and it made them less hungry. What else could you dream of? So the thing is, you can add kalwanji in your regular daily diet. Just dry roast some kalwanji and grind it up and sprinkle it on your foods. Like I have kalwanji in one of my salt bottles. Like you have salt and pepper bottles, in those bottles just add kalwanji and sprinkle it on your food, because 1/4 of a teaspoon is not much, it is maybe 2 or 3 big pinches full, but these few pinches will save you from sugar spikes and weight gain. Then comes apple cider vinegar. Many people take apple cider vinegar for its weight loss benefit, but rarely they know that it also controls your sugar levels. Again, they did a research and they fed people bread plain, and then they fed people bread sprinkled with vinegar. In fact, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, that is a hefty dose. You can take 4 tablespoons of vinegar sprinkled on your salads, on your food, or you can mix it up with water and take it as a drink. Like you must find out ways how to add vinegar to your diet, because vinegar will control the spikes, sugar spikes, and it will help you reduce weight also. In fact, all the fermented foods like sauerkraut or kimchi, they help control sugar levels and they prevent sugar spikes. Now there are many other herbs like Indian rennet or gurmar or even reishi mushroom. If you have fresh reishi mushrooms, you can make a stew out of it. You can add it to your meat dishes or your vegetable dishes and have a stew of reishi mushroom, or you can take it in the form of capsules. But the thing is, reishi mushroom will not only control your sugar spikes, it has anti-aging effect also. There are many other herbs which are very beneficial for controlling the sugar and losing weight, which I'll not be sharing in this video because the video will get long and then you will not watch it. So to keep this video short, I'll not share this. Stay tuned, we'll be sharing these in this next video, and thank you for watching the video till then. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.